So it works fine, but you can hear something, it's loose inside. And one time I was working and it was working, and it was almost I was feeling that something could break, because this small piece that is inside, I guess some part of plastic, was getting stuck in the motor or something like that inside. Hello everyone, today we have a little different one from the usual. So the issue is this massage gun, I think it's called. So it works fine, but you can hear something, it's loose inside. And one time I was working and it was working, and it was almost I was feeling that something could break, because this small piece that is inside, I guess some part of plastic, was getting stuck in the motor or something like that inside. So it still works, everything is fine. I can try to put, you can see it works fine, but let me turn it off. But this part of plastic, I assume it's plastic, might damage this inside. So let's try to disassemble this. I never disassembled one of these, but I see here like 4 screws. I'm not sure if it's enough. Here I see another one. Maybe it's not even needed to open like fully. And these, I think here it's the battery. I don't know. I think here it's no screw in under this plastic. So let me take this one just to see if I can see something. Maybe it will come out even from here. So this is a Phillips screwdriver, and this comes out, and I guess if I twist this, okay, seems it comes out, and it might even actually, okay. So probably we will want to fix this. Some part of plastic, and here a screw. So this might fit somewhere. So we might want to take this out. So we have here here it's where we turn on and turn off, and actually change the velocity. So let's take these two, 1 and 2. Okay, maybe I should remember that red and blue, it's to the left side, and the yellow and blue in the right. Okay, not to forget, because I'm not sure if it will have an impact if we change it, but just to be safe. Okay, so we took it out, and now I can see there is here 2 screws, but maybe let's unscrew these. Here as well is some Phillips screws, and let's take them out. I will fast forward all of these because it might take a while. Okay, and it comes out. Even here it braked. I'm not sure. Okay, there is one more. It's over here still. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so I guess this fits here on the top over here, and it screws there. Not sure why this is for. maybe just to hold all of these in place. Not 100% sure, but let's put it, because I think I don't see anything more where it could fit, and here it fits actually perfectly over these. So let's, okay, so this is, okay, I can see it's when I'm turning, as you see, this is what it makes, like this arm turn like this. So yeah, it's good to have it in place, but it might be that this in future will go out again, actually, because this is always moving around, so might be that at some point it will come out again. The rest, I think I don't need to take all the rest apart, but if you would want to take the rest apart, we can see here a screw here in the head, and here a few more, 2 more here, and another down there, and then these 4 over here as well. And then I assume that this you could pull this out because the battery is under here. So actually pretty quick one. Not sure if anyone had this issue, but yeah, but this one, since this came out, here you can see there is a gap, and it could stuck there, or when it goes around, it can stuck here over there, and it could force, you know, the motor itself to turn, and could break. Since this is plastic, probably this would break first, but better to be safe than sorry. So let's put it back again, and that's it. Okay, we did mount everything, at least now don't hear anything. Let's put it, let's see if everything works. So everything works, and nothing it's loose. Okay, so all good. So actually very quick one. Quicker than I was expecting. So this hope this helped anyone with similar issue. It was not a really problem, but probably would damage this in the future, this massage gun. So that's why I decided to try to avoid probably a fix, and to be safe. So hope this helped anyone. As you can see, it's not very hard to disassemble. It was just these 4 screws over here, and this one to take the back part. And then when we have the top cover off, you could see that just there are a few screws. So if you need to disassemble even more, you know more or less how to do. There is plenty of different models of these kind of gun. So, but I think more or less all of them are very similar. So if you don't have the exact same model, probably you have something similar. Probably this doesn't have even a normal model. Just says here the product name. You can see muscle facial massager and product number FH320. So I'm not sure if this will help you, but if you have similar issues or want to disassemble, you know what to do. So thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. It will help a lot the channel, and see you in the next one.